Hello, my name is Professor Agustino Spada.
Hi, I'm Charles Rosier, I'm the co-founder of Augustus Bader, and we will discuss with you the different types of cream we have for your skin concerns. The cream is a lighter texture. It has vitamin A. The cream will be more adapted for normal to combination skin.
The rich cream which I have here has a richer formulation, and it is more for drier climates or dry type of skin.
And sometimes we saw people using the cream during the day and the rich cream as a night cream.
Okay, the light cream is a lighter version of the cream. People who have acne-prone skin or more oily type of skin or super tropical warm climates, they tend to prefer the lighter version.
Some clients use it to mattify as well as a base sometimes for makeup. The eye cream, it's a cream, and on top of the TFCA, that really is the magic, let's say, group of ingredients that will help for the elasticity of the skin and therefore the wrinkles around the skin.
Body cream, I think, is one of the amazing products in our line because it focuses on the body, which is a different area of the skin. In the clinical trials, it was shown it has a very beneficial effect on the appearance of stretch marks and cellulite. So thank you for following along, and I hope you will find the right formulation which fits the type of skin.
You can find the products at Sephora.